This is the Reolink 820, a turret camera. It's actually pretty good and very compact for the size. The problem is right now it only comes in white. If you want it in black, if you want something more discreet, you'll have to paint it yourself. The black version is not available anywhere. So in order to paint it black, you need to take everything apart. I've already disassembled it, but this is how you can disassemble it yourself. Here's one of the base plate. There's 4 of them, 1, 2, 3, 4. It attaches to the metal frame. This is all plastic, by the way. Metal and then metal. But to remove this plastic base, all you have to do is align this square rectangular opening with this indentation right here. I don't know if you can see it, but here's one of them. There's another indentation over here as well. So just align the rectangular opening with the indentation and then use a flathead to pry it open. Once you got one of the rectangular opening out, move it to the next one, right there. Pry that open and do it for the next 2 openings as well. Now that you've opened all of it up, go ahead and paint it whatever color you want with Rustoleum. This is plastic, metal, and metal. The camera lens has already been taped up with this blue plastic protective covering film. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, and thanks for watching.